Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you Django, Python, e-commerce beautiful template, working demo. And guys, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Django and Python updates. So guys, here we go. And guys, also I have used Booster 5. See guys, first, I will show you complete template. Beautiful Django Bootstrap e-commerce template. See guys, very beautiful. And now I will show you other sections. Here is top bar, languages, currency section, and these all are for user section. My account, wish list, checkout, more, and login. Here you can see mini cart, edit, delete, checkout and view cart, search bar, company logo, and navigation. See guys, other pages, see the tooltip, see guys, the mega menu, see the hover effect, see guys, the mega menu, just brilliant. Theme features. Now come to the top slider. See, works well. Categories, see guys, new arrivals, boost up tabbing. And guys, see the hover effect, just brilliant. See guys, the hour effect, just brilliant. Offers, bestsellers, see guys, with Carazzo. Clients, client testimonials, latest blog, company details, and footer section. So everything is working perfectly. And guys, now I'm going to show you the main thing, the template responsiveness. And I must say, the template is fully responsive. Plus iPhone. See guys, the toggle navigation, just brilliant. Everything is working fine. For Galaxy S, see guys, just brilliant. So guys, have you seen Python, Django, e-commerce template? Works well. And guys, I will come with more demos. And if you will have any kind of query, suggestion, or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. My friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.